Welcome to our channel. Today we how to log into American Airlines, complete guide step by step clearly. To begin the login process for American Airlines, open your preferred web browser. In the address bar, type in the URL www.aa.com. Press the Enter key to navigate to the American Airlines homepage. Once the homepage loads, look for the Sign In option. You will typically find this in the upper right corner of the page. Click on the Sign In button. A login form will appear on your screen. In the first field, enter your AAdvantage number or your email address. Next, move to the password field and input your password. Double-check that your entries are correct for accuracy. If you've forgotten your password, click on the Forgot Password link. Follow the prompts to reset your password if needed. Once you've entered your credentials, click on the Sign In button. Wait a few moments for the system to process your login. If your credentials were correct, you will be redirected to your account dashboard. If you encounter an error, verify your username and password. Re-enter your details if necessary and attempt to log in again. Congratulations, you are now logged into your American Airlines account. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the Reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.